I applied and applied and applied. Every day was another sorry, unfortunately, sorry. It was just, it got to the point that when I would even see their emails, I wouldn't even open the email anymore. I would say, it's okay, I already know you don't want me. So I gave up for a while. Like after summer, I just stopped.
How I feel about you, you wish you way. We don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
It's giving rock the boat, change positions, Aaliyah.
Ready to get swept in the game, and my hair will be given rock the boat, change positions, Aaliyah.
Period. I was conflicted between these nails, and then I'll put a picture of the other nails that I want to do. I wanted to do something simple but classy, but then still not too simple because I don't get to do my nails that often. And since I don't get to do my nails that often, I'm just like, I need to not just do simple, because if I wanted simple, then I could have went to Penny's and just, because if I don't get my nails done often, then I have to go a bit all out, but not too all out. And it's giving rock the boat, change positions, Aaliyah, and that is what is giving.
We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, holding everything. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
I did not show you guys my hair, but this is my hair. I freaking look cute, like her. It's giving summer bohemian vibes. Yeah, and it's long as well. It's giving. Only thing I don't like, it's the way it's knotted, and instead of knotless, it's knotted, and it's just giving like bulk. And I don't like how full it is because I have like a small head, so it's like kind of too heavy for my liking. It's a bit too heavy, but I feel like it's still cool. And I like, once it's not too new anymore, I get used to it. I'll get used to the heaviness, and I'll also get used to like the bulk, because it might go flatter a bit. But yeah, I have a big head, and I'm not a big head, a small head, and it's giving like basically. If you don't get it, forget about it. Okay, so to finish my whole glow up series or whatever, I'm going to basically do my toenails, because atrocious, toenails are just atrocious. And I'm gonna do my toenails, I'm gonna shave, I'm gonna wax my armpits because a little bit of hair is coming in. And yeah, basically this is like a summer glow up, as if I have anywhere to go. I don't have anywhere to go yet, because sadly all my friends are like doing exams. I'm done, baby. But this is just a little thing, just like taking care of myself, just loving on myself, making sure that I feel good or whatever. So I'm gonna be shaving my whole body, my cootie care, waxing, doing my toenails, like doing my skincare, and everything. And then that will be the end of my glow up series, transformation series. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. And everybody's been asking me, why are you getting your nails done, why are you getting your hair done? There's no reason. Sometimes you just don't need a reason, okay? Sometimes you don't need a reason to look good. Sometimes you don't need a reason to do your nails, to do your hair. You're just doing it because you're taking care of yourself, and that should be common. Why are you asking me why am I doing it? Why are you asking me why am I doing my hair? I'm doing it because I want to feel good. Why are you asking me why am I doing my nails? Baby, like, there's no reason. Sometimes there's just no reason. You just want to look good and feel good in your skin, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Everybody should do that. Every girl should do that. Every guy should do that, okay? Period, okay? Anyway, catch me in the next clip, or don't catch me, but this is me just giving y'all motivation, because take care of yourselves, babes. Like, if y'all got the money, do it. And if you can do it yourself, do it. Like, I'm doing my own toenails because I just be like, I'm not paying for someone to do my own toenails, but I can't do my nails, so like, I'm like, okay, let me just pay for that. I can do my own makeup. I'm not paying for someone to do my makeup, but like, do you know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. Everybody should be like that. So yeah, as you guys can see, I am ready for the summer glow up. Period. The skin is glowing, the body is bodying, and the nails are nailing. The nails are nailing everything. Period. Yeah, get into it.